Okay, this one is going to be a simulation of how to do just a wear traffic area in an open area where there's no grout lines. Pretend these are not here. Or if you've got a scratch in an area and how to repair it. You can see the wear pattern that we created right down through the middle of this tile. So what we're going to do now is we're going to effect a repair. What you do is you put your tape on the outside of the wear pattern. And what we're going to do is we're going to sand this inside area, pull the tape up, and then put another load of tape down, and I'll explain that when we get there. There's a 400 grit sandpaper on the sander, and now what we're going to do is we're just going to wipe off the residue, make sure that I've got a good a good clean surface right here, and we're going to pull the tape up, and I'll tell you why in just a second. Next step is to clean the area with the 81919 alcohol. Alright, hopefully you can see that I've created more of a straight line down through here for the tape. And now we're going to tape it off again. And it's important because the tape is going to go, and we're going to show about an 1/8 inch of good Adsel coating. And it doesn't have to be exact. What we're going to do is we're going to use the hydrophobic nature of the Adsel to our advantage. All right, I've got a good clean edge right there, and on this side where there's good product. Next, shake the 1500. Always shake it before you use it. Pour some out. And for this repair, I've chosen a staining sponge. If you've got a large area, choose whatever makes more sense to you. And I'm going to just wipe right down the middle and in between. And what that's going to do, it's going to allow the Adsel will come off the edge because of its hydrophobic nature, move to the inside, and you will have a perfectly straight line when you get finished. Give it like maybe 3 or 4 minutes after you applied the Adsel. Then go ahead and pull your tape up, because this tape, the solvent will eat into the adhesive, and it's best to just let the Adsel spread where it needs to, and you'll have a very nice repair.